Welcome back, everybody, to the Gun Vise. Here on the second true episode, we're taking a look at an 1891 Carcano long rifle. This is another RTI pickup. This is, I believe, the first rifle that I bought from Royal Tiger. I would say it is in excellent shape. All things considering, there are a few dings and scrapes here on the stock. But overall, the wood's nice, the metal has almost no finish left in most places. However, there's no pitting. I would say I was very happy with this pickup. I don't remember how much it was going for at the time. It might have been $250. This rifle is a Tyranny. That's where it was made in 1918. There you can see the 18 proof mark. So it is a World War I rifle. Here you can see more proof marks and the Italian crest. This rifle has quite a few marks, stock and receiver matching. The problem with this rifle today is the firing pin. So I'm going to start by removing the bolt, setting the rifle off to the side. This video is why you always check your rifles before you shoot them. I had to buy a whole new firing pin because the one that came with the rifle is not really serviceable. So here I'm just inspecting the new one, making sure it's in good shape. Everything looks to be good. I don't remember the site that I got this off of. It might have been Numeric. I'm going to start by dismantling the bolt. Going to push that little detent in, unscrew the nut on the back end. Now, this, I guess, cocking piece, I'm not sure the exact name, it is a little stuck on there, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my rubber mallet, give it a few taps, and there it comes off. Now, next is to decock, and there is a third groove in which the cocking piece comes off, or I guess the safety comes off. Here I pull out the old firing pin, take the spring off, and it is pretty clear what's wrong. There is a very obvious crack just at the tip of the firing pin. Only thing left to do is reassemble the bolt exactly how I took it apart. We'll start by reinserting the firing pin and the spring. Next is the safety. On the firing pin itself, there is a flat groove that needs to be facing a certain direction, and there is a flat spot in this rear lug, and it does want to go on pretty difficult. I never did get it on quite as far as it was on the old firing pin, and you will see when I put this nut on, it doesn't quite want to screw on all the way. That is a fitting problem that I still need to take care of. For now though, it will work like that, it just will not cycle as well. Go ahead and cock the bolt, and it is time to reinsert it to the rifle. And that's it. For this episode, that is all the work that needs done to this. Now it's time to try her out. First shot, I won't put it to my face. maybe 6. Thank you everybody for watching. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have lots more in the works, I have lots more ideas, but subscribing and just watching the videos really helps, and I always appreciate comments. So, until next time, see you later. It's not time for food yet. Not yet. Can you go outside? Let's go outside.